Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 20-inch or 20.1-inch monitor from OCCFL to our UB64 series LED kits. This display, this kit comes with two LED strips, one driver and one 6-pin pigtails. Alright, so let's set aside, take a look. This one, actually the model is a, make sure you see it, UTAP20W. UTAP20W is using an ultra machine, ultra equipment, so ultrasound. I'm sorry. So then, basically, this is have a little bit more detailed models. Okay. So I already removed the screw already, just save some time, and it's connected. The problem with this screen is actually the inverter section, so that's why we disconnected and tested. So in this case, we do not need it, but we still need this power supply, which is, we can find all the supply volts I will show you later on. So I already unscrew all the screws. So let me see, let me take out this back cover. I'll see if I can. Yep. I'm gonna disconnect this wire. Be careful, this screen wire. Just no rush. Here we go. Remove the chassis already, and take a look at the screen. The screen is made by LG Philips. The screen number is LM201W01SLA1. Is it? Okay. So let's take a look at the screen. I'm going to take it out of the screen here. Okay. And then remove the bezel. First, we had to remove this back covers, and then the metal frame is gonna a little bit more work. So 3 screws holding that this cover, which is covering the interface module. And after you remove it, you can just take it out. Okay, here there's a trick. You use a small flat head, you tilt up a little bit, take it out. See that? Okay. Next, we're gonna remove this metal frame. One at a time. Okay, just one at a time, no rush. You see the screw? Okay. No screw holding. Oops. Just be patient a little bit. This size a little bit. Here we go. Then you get your hand underneath web and holding the liquid glass, because I don't want you to crack it. Wait a minute. What is? There we go. Right. Set aside the metal frame. I got the PPA piece of cardboard, so I just lay on the cardboard. Hopefully it's easy to take it out. Usually these are a little bit sticky, and you can use, because when they mount it, original mount it, they put a little bit kind of like a double side tip underneath that. You see that? So then you just tip it up the wires. Oops, I forgot to show you this. I'll show you later. There's a tip that was, you need to cut it. I'll show you later. Oops, it's pretty dangerous. Okay. I cut the wrong spot, so that's why. Okay. Hopefully, you see this? There's a tip There was mounted in between. I forgot to, I overlooked that thing, so that's why give me some troubles. So this end too, I need to peel it off. Okay, now we can set aside screen. Find the thread.